Good morning, sunshine. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Clear Blue, this guy, and one of the test strips. So I'm going to get these ready and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the test strip is inserted into the little monitor. So I'm going to insert it into the urine and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the test is going right now, and it's running. So once it's blinking, you know that it's going. Should be a couple seconds. This takes forever. And that noise you hear in the background is my son watching cartoons, so I'm sorry about that. Probably mute this video. Oh wow, this is long.
Okay, so it takes 5 minutes for it to develop, and I am at low. So right here on the test, I am at low. So today is the first day testing, and I am right here, low. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.